Hello friends, myself Nitin and welcome to my channel Megapixel Beast. Today this video will be special because I am going to share 5 Lightroom tricks for editing. Usually I use this trick while editing. If you are new here, then go and check recent camera reviews and photography tutorials. Do subscribe and hit bell icon for latest updates. You can download this app from Play Store. Link is given in description. First one is Dehaze. Dehaze is a tool which adds or removes contrast and saturation quickly. Let's try this tool. You can find this tool in Effects. If you drag the slider towards the right, it gradually adds contrast and saturation. Where if you drag it towards the left, it gradually removes contrast and saturation from your photo. You can create a fog effect simply using this tool. Import any picture and just select where you want to add fog effect. Then just drag the dehaze slider towards the left. That's it, your photo will get this amazing effect with this tool. Here you can see the before and after of the same picture. Second one is sharpness masking. This tool will help you to add sharpness on particular area. Let's see how to do it. Import any photo, then add sharpness as per your requirement. Below that you can see masking option. Just you need to put 2 fingers on slider. Then Lightroom will show you white area of image that will be sharpened. You can adjust the slider as per your requirement. In every photo processing, I use this sharpness masking for sure. Here you can see before and after of this image. Third one is a faded effect. You can get this effect in a single step. For that you just need curve. Nowadays there is a trend on Instagram of faded photos. Let's see how you can get it. Import any photo and open the curve. Then just drag the shadow point in the upper side. You can see changes in photos. You can use this effect for enhancing your photos differently. These photos gives old and vintage feeling to us. So this editing style is heavily inspired by film photography. Here you can see before and after of this photo. Fourth one is guided upright. This option is helpful for correcting perspective in photo. Basically, guided upright is used for building and tilted images. For fixing perspective, you just have to add vertical and horizontal guidelines in image. With respect to lines, Lightroom will adjust your photo. You can use 2 verticals and 2 horizontal lines for correcting perspective. Here you will get idea about how to use this cool feature. Now you can see the difference between before and after of this image. Final trick is RAW. Many of you don't know about this feature of Lightroom camera app. It can shoot photos in RAW format. For this feature, you just need to set image output to RAW. You can find this option in Lightroom camera. Adobe DNG is a RAW file format that is uncompressed. So right away you have a higher quality than JPG. So this is the great for post-processing. So go and use these tricks while using Lightroom mobile app. Let me know if these tricks are helpful in comment section. Stay tuned for next video because I will upload such photography tutorials, tricks in my channel. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching my video.